In the United States, chronic kidney disease affects more than 1 in 7 U.S. adults, an estimated 37 million Americans. However, as many as 9 in 10 adults who have chronic kidney disease are not aware they have the disease. In this video, we will explore how we can enhance our kidney health using natural foods. We will be discussing the top 8 natural foods that are beneficial for kidney health. Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Pure Wellness, the go-to destination for unlocking the secrets of a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we're delving into the heart of one of our body's unsung heroes, the kidneys. These remarkable organs work tirelessly to filter and cleanse, but are we giving them the support they truly deserve? If you're ready to transform the way you think about kidney health, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're unveiling the top 8 natural must-eat foods that can supercharge your kidneys and elevate your overall well-being. But before we jump into the juicy details, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Why? Because you're about to embark on a journey that could revolutionize the way you nourish your body. Now, let's talk kidneys. These powerhouse organs play a crucial role in maintaining our internal balance, and yet, we often neg. Sure, let's talk about blueberries and their benefits for kidney health. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are a superfood that are beneficial for kidney health. Here are some key points to consider. Antioxidants. Blueberries are a good source of antioxidants, including anthocyanidins, which reduce inflammation and promote renal and kidney health. Vitamins. They are a good source of vitamin C and manganese, which are good for bones and skin and help reduce signs of aging. Low in potassium. A half a cup serving of blueberries has less than 150 milligrams of potassium, making them a low potassium fruit choice. This is beneficial for people with kidney disease, as they often need to limit their potassium intake. Low in sodium and phosphorus. Blueberries are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them suitable for a kidney-friendly diet. However, it's important to note that while blueberries have potential benefits for kidney health, they should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Number 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are beneficial for kidney health for several reasons. Hydration. Cucumbers are high in water content, which aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the body. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health. Low in potassium. Cucumbers are low in potassium, making them a good choice for individuals with kidney disease who often need to monitor their potassium intake. Antioxidants. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tannins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can exacerbate kidney stone symptoms, and antioxidants in cucumber may help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with kidney stones. Kidney stones. Regular consumption of cucumbers could help kidney stone patients in flushing out the stones. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is beneficial for kidney health. Here are some key points to consider. Nutrients. Cauliflower provides many nutrients, including vitamin K, folate, and fiber. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Cauliflower is a good option for people with kidney disease as it contains many nutrients without providing too much sodium, potassium, or phosphorus. Versatile, cauliflower can be used as a replacement for foods such as rice, mashed potatoes, and even pizza crust. Number 4. Fish. Fish is a great source of high-quality protein and contains many important nutrients, which are beneficial for kidney health. Here are some key points to consider. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation and provide cardiovascular benefits. Including omega-3 fatty acids in your diet can help lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease, common concerns for individuals with CKD. Protein. Fish provides a substantial amount of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for supporting muscle health, healing, and overall well-being. Including fish in your diet helps maintain adequate protein intake without increasing the burden on your kidneys. Low in sodium and phosphorus. Choose fresh fish when possible because it is lower in sodium. Canned fish can be high in sodium. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of fat that is beneficial for kidney health. Here are some key points to consider. Monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats are known to reduce inflammation and have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is nutritious and contains antioxidants like vitamins E and K. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from damage. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains nutrients that fight inflammation, including oleic acid, and the antioxidant oleocanthal. Chronic inflammation is thought to be a leading driver of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even obesity. Low in sodium. Olive oil is low in sodium, making it a good choice for individuals with kidney disease who often need to monitor their sodium intake. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is beneficial for kidney health for several reasons. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic is loaded with nutrients that help the kidney function better. A compound derived from crushing garlic, called allicin, is beneficial for treating severe kidney diseases like CKD. The antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic make it a nutritionally dense food, especially for kidney patients. Diuretic properties. Garlic may be helpful in promoting kidney health because of its diuretic properties. It signals the kidney to remove any excess toxins and minerals through urination. Blood pressure and cardiovascular health. High blood pressure is one of the major causes of kidney disease. The antioxidant properties of garlic are beneficial not only for patients with kidney disease, but also for people suffering from hypertension, as it may reduce oxidative stress on the blood vessels and improve blood flow. Low in sodium. Garlic is generally safe for consumption for kidney patients due to its numerous health benefits. The only thing that might not be ideal for kidney patients is garlic salt or any other processed food items made out of garlic, as they might contain high amounts of sodium which should not be eaten in large amounts by a chronic kidney disease patient. Number 7. Onions. Onions are beneficial for kidney health for several reasons. Nutrients: onions are rich in vitamin C, calcium, and phosphorus. These nutrients can be healthy for people suffering from high creatinine levels along with reduced kidney function. Prostaglandin: onions also contain prostaglandin, which naturally reduces the viscosity of blood. It also helps lower high blood pressure, which reduces the progression of kidney disease. Antioxidant: onions also contain the antioxidant quercetin, which prevents free radicals from causing damage to the kidneys, and it also helps with detoxification. Low in sodium: onions are excellent for providing flavor without adding extra sodium, making them great for a kidney-friendly diet. Number 8. Apples. You've heard the line "an apple a day keeps the doctor away forever" now, and must have dismissed it as an old wives' tale. However, nutritionists are time and again shedding light on the numerous health benefits that this wonder fruit has in store. If you are unaware of this humble fruit's health benefits, have a look at this post to get a clear idea why you should eat apple every day. Apples are beneficial for kidney health for several reasons. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Apples are not just good for your kidneys but can also reduce the overall ill effects of kidney disease in the initial stages. They have anti-inflammatory properties and high fiber content, which help improve kidney function. Apples are a great source of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and glucose levels, also known as pectin. Apples are also packed with antioxidants, quercetin, vitamin C, and prebiotics, all of which are beneficial for your kidneys. Potassium and phosphorus. One medium-sized apple has 195 milligrams of potassium and 20 milligrams of phosphorus. These levels are considered safe for people with kidney disease. Blood sugar levels. Apples may help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels and ease constipation. Alright, folks, we've just taken a deep dive into the world of kidney health. Unlocking the secrets of 8 natural powerhouse foods that can transform the way your kidneys function. I hope you've got your notepads ready because these dietary gems are about to become staples in your kitchen. Before we conclude this eye-opening journey, let me leave you with a few parting words of wisdom. Don't just stick to 1 or 2 of these superfoods. Variety is the spice of life, and it ensures you get a diverse range of nutrients to support your kidney health. If you have pre-existing health conditions or concerns, always consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that often lead to the most significant improvements in your health. Start by incorporating these foods gradually into your meals. Stay informed. Keep educating yourself about nutrition and its impact on your overall well-being. Knowledge is a powerful tool on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep bringing you content that empowers you on your health journey. In the comments below, let us know which of these superfoods surprised you the most or which one you're excited to add to your diet. As we wrap up today's discussion on top natural foods for healthy kidney function, remember that your health is an ongoing journey. Every bite you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. This is Pure Wellness signing off. Wishing you vibrant health, delicious meals, and a life filled with wellness. Until next time, take care.